In this video, I'm going to explain the requirements for the Adopt a Molecule project. You can find these guidelines posted online. The project altogether is worth 20 points. 10 points will come from completing the packet that I gave you or that you may need to pick up. And then the other will be 10 points will come from your assigned molecule. And you can either get that from me or it is posted as a comment in the gradebook for the assignment. So for my College Credit Plus students, that assignment is in the lab side of the class, and then chemistry students, it's just where you would normally find your assignments. So you will be assigned a particular molecule. The correct model will be worth 1 point. And we're going to build the models from some pieces here that I want to kind of explain. So first of all, there is some color coding to this. So the standard I've got here on this post-it note, carbon is black, hydrogen will be white, nitrogen is light blue, oxygen is red, phosphorus is purple, sulfur is yellow. And then some of the lesser used ones, selenium will be tan, silicon will be silver, fluorine is a light green, and then chlorine is a darker green. So from the formula of your compound, you can identify which pieces you will need. Now they are broken up into central atoms. So the central atom pieces are a little bit bigger and they have more holes. The holes are where you would attach a bond, okay? If you have outer atoms, you want to get them from this bin. Hydrogen is very common as an outer atom. And I do have two types of model pieces for oxygen. Some of them just have one hole, and then some of them have multiple holes. You will need the multiple hole ones if you are making an oxygen that has a double bond or a triple bond. That brings us to the pieces for the bond. We've got single bond pieces, which are kind of a little bit stiffer and shorter, and you can make double bonds or triple bonds with these pieces that are a little bit more flexible. And if you do things correctly, these models are set up so that if you have the correct number of single bonds, double bonds, triple bonds, the molecular shape should come out correct, okay? So for your particular assigned molecule, you're gonna need the compound name, the compound formula, the Lewis structure that should follow the octet rule and the duet rule, the name of the molecular shape, the bond angle, and then some sort of fun fact. So you will make an information card for your assigned assigned compound that will look something like this. I've done one for water. I've got all the information clearly displayed, and then my water molecule model is going to look like this. One thing you will notice on your central atoms is the empty holes should be placed where you would have a non-bonding pair, a lone pair of electrons. So that should work out accordingly. And then what we'll do is make a gallery of different molecules. We'll set them on the little ledge on the side of the room, and you can present your results that way. So I did put in a presentation. What I'll do probably is once you think you have your information correct, you can just kind of go over it with me one-on-one, and then once I've confirmed that everything's correct, we'll go ahead and place that on the ledge at the side of the room. So you do need to complete the packet yourself, but you will be able to use completed projects to kind of check your work and make sure that you're on the right track.